withdrawing money from your Uber Eats account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account where you receive your earnings. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the bottom right corner. Look for the Earnings or Wallet section to view your available balance. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the Earnings or Wallet section, find the option to withdraw or transfer funds. This may be labeled as Transfer to Bank or Withdraw Funds. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that it does not exceed your available balance. Review any fees that may apply to the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal. You may need to enter your bank account details if you haven't done so previously. Once confirmed, the funds will be processed and should appear in your bank account within a few business days. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your earnings from Uber Eats to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats support for assistance.